So this is gonna be a quick video about how you repair a rip in your down jacket. In this case, I'll be using a Patagonia ultralight down jacket. And this one has a lot of miles on it, but it's developed a pretty good tear right here on the underarm, kind of the wear from the zipper going back and forth, ripped it, it lost some of the fill, and now I just want to put on a small repair before it gets any worse. Patagonia, if you read through their website, they actually recommend this. It's called tenacious tape. You can buy this on Amazon or through any outdoor goods store, and it's fairly easy to find. And this roll cost me about $6 or $7. So this is the recommended solution by Patagonia, and if you do your research online, this is a very popular solution. It's either sold as a roll, which is very affordable, or as small stickers, which are, they're not a lot of money, but relative, you're paying a lot more for those small pre-made stickers. So I bought the roll, and we'll do the quick fix right now. So the first step will be to assess the size of the hole. That's right there. And then you're going to want to give the whole area a really thorough cleaning. Basically the stickers, the repair stickers, they're not going to stick that well if this area is dirty or oily or anything like that. So give it a really good cleaning with soap and water. I did that earlier today, and I let it fully dry, and that's how you want it before the stickers are attached. We'll have some questions here whether we want to go over the seam or restrict it to this area. Still trying to figure that out, but let's go ahead and look at the stickers. Here is what the tenacious tape looks like. And again, you might have opted for the stickers. You might be buying the roll of tape. Instructions and those sorts of things are very limited. Clean the surface, cut the patch, apply with pressure, store tape in bag. So very simple. And for large repairs, apply patches to both sides of the material. That's more if you had a single layer, say a windbreaker. Here is the roll. It's very simple. It's clear. It's sold in different colors as well. And it does have a little separator right here that you can use. First thing you want to do is cut it to size, and then we'll cut it down to shape. You want to do some overlap with the cut, but what you don't want to do is make it so big that you're going to have a piece of your jacket that is not very comfortable or very flexible. The tape has some flex to it, but it doesn't move as well as your standard jacket. Basically, if you do some reading online and some research, everyone will say that you want to round the corners of this so that if it has a sharp edge, that will lift over time. A rounded corner will not do that. This is a small patch. Could have made it a little bit longer, but keep this one small for now. See how it goes. I have a few other ones I need to repair, so we won't waste any of this material. And I've left myself a little area to hold it. This stuff's quite sticky, so you want to be careful about how you apply. Now, make this nice and flat. Don't stretch the hole out to make it wider than it needs to be. Try to just have it lay naturally. I'm gonna go over the seam. Again, you'll have to decide how you want to do it. If you can avoid a seam, that's usually for the best, but my main goal here is to stop further ripping, and it's on the other underside of the arm, so I'm not really worried about any aesthetic concerns. So now you want to just apply pressure for a minute or two. No heat or anything like that is required. So you can see it is nice and flat under here. The seam, it's there, but it doesn't really make a difference. Perhaps it would have been a little bit cleaner to keep it there, but I'm a little bit wary of all this area here because it has been prone to ripping because of, again, when you walk, the zipper hits right here. And I mainly want to give it a friction-free point as opposed to doing the smallest possible fix and just having it rip, a millimeter over. So maybe it's a little bit creased right here. Maybe could have done a better job, but this ultralight fabric is very, very light, and it can be hard to get it to sit well there. So with you have a little bit more structure in the fabric, it can be a little bit better, but there it is. It is patched up and it's ready to be taken back outside. So yeah, that is how you repair the fabric of your windbreaker or your down jacket or anything like that. I use tenacious tape. There's other solutions, but again, this is the one recommended by Patagonia, and I've always had good luck with it. Thanks for watching.